Hey everybody, this is Shannon Perry Steiner with MLMGlobalMastery.com. I just had to send a shout out testimonial to my mentor and friend, Sean Wallace. I just met Sean maybe a few weeks ago, and pretty much it's like we've been knowing each other for years. He has been such a wealth of knowledge for me, showing me the ropes, talking to me about the industry. He's brought so much value into what I'm doing. He's helped me to prioritize my business. He's helped me to focus on things that will help me to grow and become a better leader. And I just wanted to personally tell everybody out there. Sean actually just started a Thursday night phone call from 9 to 10. And guys, if you're not on it, you need to be on it. I mean, the information that he is sharing with us is priceless. I mean, I can't believe it's free. But I am so honored and blessed to have met this wonderful leader who is really helping to change people's lives and who's given us the value that we all so deserve to have. And I just wanted to say thank you, Sean. Thank you for being my friend and mentor.